Hello viewers, good morning. I am Dr. Pranav Kumar Chakraborty on behalf of the channel BNCMS Study Festivity. Today in this appearance I have come not with any topic, any educative issues or any educational issues to be discussed. I am here to give you an idea, an overview with regards to our channel BNCMS Study Festivity. Now, what for this special? This is the special episode for giving you the necessary information as to or with regards to our channel. First of all, I am letting you know one important issue. Our channel is 3 or 4 months old. We have uploaded 64 videos till date. Good number of persons, basically the language which I use over here is absolutely English. But I am getting huge request from last 2 months. Sir, आप सिर्फ इंग्लिश बोलते हो, हम लोगों के लिए कुछ बोलिए, कुछ कीजिए, आपको पढ़ाई हम लोगों के लिए तो ज़रूरत है, थोड़ा सा हिंदी पे बोलिए ना. Friends, basically the topic I would like to deliver in English, okay? But considering the convenience of the views of the listeners, I would like to use Hindi along with English. I was absolutely resting on English. I was absolutely following English, but with regard to pay proper regards to your view, to your aspiration, I am changing my thoughts. I am adding Hindi along with English. So what I will be spelling out in English will also be spelling out in Hindi. So henceforth, today onwards, my language will be English. Hindi and English is a combination of Hindi and English. So friends, please listen to. I am absolutely a Bengali fellow. There may be some problem on my part in Hindi, in discussing in Hindi. Please bear with me, make necessary modification in the language when it reaches to you. Okay, so thank you for this. Now, this special episode with regards to an overview of our channel. Why I am giving this? I am presenting this deliberation for a total knowledge of yours with regards to who I am, what we are, what are our objectives and what we want to do in the days coming and how we will be serving you in the coming days. So friend, in a nutshell I am letting you know the name of our channel is BNCMS. BNCMS is a short form of our school, Bholanath Chakraborty Memorial School. The school came into being, it was founded in the year in 2000 on the birthday of my father, 7th of January 2000. So it came into being, it has started, the school has got started its journey on the 7th of January 2000 and it is the date of birth of my father. Date of birth of my father. And now the name of the channel is Study Festivity because it is absolutely operated as a part of our BNCMS. It is an online, it is intending to extending online education freely given to all the viewers. Okay, it is meant for free education, online education for the viewers in the different subjects. So it is regarded as our school is a regular class. We conduct regular class over here. It is an ICSE affiliated school, situated at Bhadreshwar in the district of Hooghly West Bengal and India. So the name of our school is Bholanath Chakraborty Memorial School, and the name of our YouTube channel is BNCMS Study Festivity. The channel has started its journey from the May 2021. From 2021 May, we have started uploading our videos. Initially, I am letting you know, we did not have any idea what is, I have to confess that I did not know what is YouTube, how does it function, what are its effects and all this. The credit goes to my students, Manish Majhi, Abhay Chaudhary, Akash Pansari, Sumit Sahani, Manish Baspor, Shonu Gupta, Ankit Jadhav, all are my very dear students, and they have, at their request, we have started, and at their efforts, we have started the task of uploading videos in our YouTube channel. So far, our objective, the subjects, it is an educative channel. It is an educative channel. The nature of the channel is educative, it's an educational channel. And me as a person considered as a person in chief, I am Dr. Professor Pranab Kumar Chakraborty. Okay, and we started our journey in the month of May 2021, and the subjects we are intending to cover, especially commerce. Okay, the commerce areas, accounting, full area, business studies and commerce, accounting in full, business studies and commerce, economics, management. And we are also intending, we have also covered a lot with regards to the literature of ICSE. In the coming days, we are going to upload the different literature topics meant for this syllabi of ICSE, ISC, CBSE 9, 10 and 11, 12, and the West Bengal Board of Secondary Education and the West Bengal Council of Higher Secondary Education. So West Bengal Education 9 to 12. So these will be the coverage of the literature. It would absolutely be meant for, and it will absolutely follow the syllabi as prescribed by the respective council or board or the authority. So it will be literature, and we have already covered a good number in ICSE topics, and along with this topic there will be other aspects. Number one, English, some pertinent issues in English literature, English language, grammar and composition, history, Indian history, okay, and Constitution of India, and some specific biographies. So that will be in basically the content of our channel. Clear? Over and above this, sometimes we will be intending to upload some videos which are of cultural in nature, which basically would carry the culture of India, the culture of Bengal, and the culture of humanities. Okay, so these will be our areas. So henceforth, friend, I would like to categorize. How would I number the topic? Accounting is a broad area. We have already uploaded 62 videos and 2 yesterday. So 62 videos. Out of these 62 videos, one was meant for our Independence Day program, one was meant for economics, 18 videos were meant for ICSE English literature, and the remaining 42 videos were meant for accounting. Accounting is a vast subject. There are huge number of topics, and we have started from the grassroots of accounting. The first part of our accounting, I have given the name. It is a general accounting, general aspect, basic principles and all this. And here we are we are going to make an index of the topic that we have already uploaded and which we are going to upload in the days coming. So in general, accounting would be termed as accounts general, and it would be a phase one of accountancy. So the first uploading will be accounts gen 101, next in that 02, and in that way 0 and 42. So this will be the numbering of accounting. Economics will be numbered as usual, economics 1, economics 2, economics 3, and along with that there will be categorization of the topic that would be taken up. So also the commerce, and so also management and the literature, all this. Now we have so far uploaded 42 accounting topic, 42 accounting topic, and yesterday we have uploaded 2 topics on partnership. So it will be named as partnership 2:0102 yesterday, which we have uploaded, and today I am going to upload another after few minutes back, and it will be 03. So this is overall the discussion with respect to our channel. And now I am letting you know we are highly inspired, we are highly motivated that without making any efforts, special efforts to increase the number of subscriber and views, we have already affected more than around 575 subscribers we have already gained, and we have already views of more than 6,000. So it is a great achievement of our channel, and this achievement would have not been possible until and unless you showed the genuine interest on our channel, and your interest as to our channel, your interest as to our topic, your necessary comments, all these have made me and made us much more inspired, much more motivated to give more and more in the coming days. I would like to upload 3 or 4 topic every day. It is my endeavor, but I have also some limitation of huge number of huge hands, and also I have by normal classes in my school and management of our school also. So there, in spite of the limitations, I would try to upload some effective videos to you, and my request is that you please subscribe our channel. Okay, this is number 1. Like our channel, go through the channel, and please make necessary comments on our topic, and your comments will be considered, will be judged minutely, and it would help us in making our channel highly developed. It would help us because everybody can give some inputs with regards to the knowledge. So we will be able to enrich our views with the views which you would extend through your comments. And over and above that, I am letting you know we have our WhatsApp number, and that is 7980222131. So this is our WhatsApp number, and you, if you like, if you want, if you have the need, then you may contact me in this WhatsApp number, and you may communicate anything, and if possible, we may be in a position in the coming days to give you necessary supports by providing notes or any other important suggestions. So friends, so this is my request. YouTube is a great source of education today. I am not a businessman, I am absolutely an academician. I would like to see that our knowledge should be distributed the knowledge which God has given us in the minimum, that would be distributed for the service of the whole world. So it is my earnest request, friends, please subscribe, view and make necessary comment so that we can enrich our channel in the days coming. There may be some flaws in technical flaws, there might have been huge limitations. I have not been able to develop the unique methods using the high quality technology of presentation. I have a plain mobile, हमारा पास एक थोड़ा सा मोबाइल है, एक Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite. With that mobile and with a microphone and with this board, we are presenting our materials. So please have it, go through it, and I would like to request you, please go through minutely. Just don't view the video only for viewing. Go through properly, go through minutely, go through critically and suggest us how to develop in the days coming. Okay, this is my request to you all. It is my earnest request. Please go through properly and help me in enriching my knowledge with the contribution made by you. आप लोग जो contribution कीजिएगा, वो contribution से हम चाहते हैं मेरा नॉलेज को और थोड़ा सा बढ़ाए, मेरा नॉलेज को और बढ़ाए, आपको वैल्यूएबल कमेंट मेरा ज्ञान को और थोड़ा सा बढ़ा करे और ये ज्ञान हम अगले दिन में और दे सके आप लोगों को. माइंड इट, वी आर मेड फॉर ईच अदर. हम लोग एक दूसरे के लिए बने हुए हैं, हम एक दूसरे के लिए बने हुए हैं. मैं कुछ बोल रहा हूँ, आप इसको ऐड कुछ कीजिए, जहाँ गलती होगा हमको बता दीजिएगा. सर यही थोड़ा सा यू हैव टू गिव प्रॉपर अटेंशन, आपको ये जगह थोड़ा सा देखना पड़ेगा. आई मस्ट टेक केयर ऑफ इट. योर सजेशंस is more than gold. Okay, your suggestions are more than diamonds. It is the most precious suggestion because knowledge is the most valuable thing of the world, and I would like to make myself much more lucky to have views, to have suggestions from on your part. So thank you very much, friend. So this is in a nutshell. This episode is for the overview of our channel, my views and my request. Okay, thank you very much for extending so much interest with us in our channel. Please be with us in the days coming. Absolutely be tuned. There will be good number of videos every day. 3-4 videos you will be getting every day. आप लोग हर दिन 3-4 गो करके आपको वीडियो मिलेगा, आप लोग देखिएगा. प्लीज़ थोड़ा सा टाइम दीजिएगा, जहाँ भी गलती होगा हम लोगों को बोलिए, हम लोग और आगे बढ़ते रहेंगे. चलो ठीक है. थैंक यू वेरी मच. स्टे ट्यून्ड विद अस, स्टे सेफ एंड बी ब्लेसेड. थैंक यू.